This is what really captured my eyes. The huge leaves of the fiddle leaf fig. Dito sa entrance niya, meron siyang mga tea plants. Dito sa gate, yan yung mga halaman niya. Good morning everyone, this is Teacher Noy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm here in the residence of our public schools district supervisor, Sir Manny Vallejo. I'm going to do a quick tour here in his garden. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the bell icon for you to be notified for some videos that I'm going to upload only here in Gel Vlog. Guys, ang ganda ng mga halaman niya. Itutour ko kayo dito. At yung katapat niya na bahay, teacher din yung may-ari, Jason Iligan. One of my classmates during our college days in the St. Mary's College of Baganga. Dito sa entrance niya, meron siyang mga tea plants. Meron ding spider. Dito sa gate, yan yung mga halaman niya. There are so many types of bromeliads here. This is rubber tree, the Ficus elastica, one of my favorite plants. Oh, this is fiddle leaf fig, type also of Ficus elastica or the rubber tree. The plants are very healthy. They look so amazing. This is what I really like, the forest type of environment. This is a variety of fern. Variegated peace lily, another type of Ficus elastica. I think this is black prince. So wonderful. And this is lemon lime. It has branches, new branches here. And beneath the Ficus elastica, there are varieties of Aglonema plants and the Dieffenbachia. Look at this tropicmarian. I love the color and the outlining of each leaf. And this is Aglonema. So healthy. This is a type of Caladium, the variegated elephant ear. Another variety of Aglonema. This is Snow White. If I'm not mistaken, this is a type of San Francisco plant. Wow. This is peculiar plant. One of the rare plants that I've seen here, the butterfly. How massive the leaves of this prayer plant, the Calathea. The flower is so wonderful. Stunning. See? This is what really captured my eyes. The huge leaves of the fiddle leaf fig. How I wish that my collection of this kind of Ficus elastica will really look like this. Very bushy, tall, and it has a green color. Very nice. This is Ficus elastica ruby. Under this, we have also here variety of Aglaonema. This is the red lipstick, if I'm not mistaken, and this is Aglaonema boxer. Guys, this is jungle fever. I know. Gigantium blizzard. This is variegated actually. If I'm not mistaken again, the color of this plant has reverted. But if you are going to provide enough exposure to the sunlight, indirect sunlight, provide fertilizer, I believe the variegation in each leaf will really come back. So that is prayer plant again, the Sibrina. So stunning. This is my first time to see this plant. I don't know the name. Look at the detail in each leaf. It has spines. Look at the form. It's rare. This is jungle boogie philodendron. Maybe 2 years or 3 years so we stay here in the garden. So nice. Look at this one. It's an emblem of being an advocate of recyclable materials, and it has so many lights. We have here, I don't know what's the term in English, but this is suwa in our dialect here in Baganga. Another type of fern, we have green elephant ear. Under the green elephant ear, we have Aglaonema. This is frozen. I don't know, I forgot. This is one of my favorite plants again in the philodendron family. This is Prince of Orange, and we have here, is that type of caladium? No, I'm not sure. Wow, this is black cardinal, one of the expensive philodendrons during the height of pandemic. This one is bombastic. I love this plant because aside from many of the researchers believe that if you are going to bite or shall we say hold this plant, the reason of this plant is poisonous. So don't ever make a false move to this. When you cut this one, better to prevent yourself. Use gloves and wash your hands before eating or drinking or whatsoever. This is a type of Anthurium. This is Magnificum. Oh, the Lindinii, the giant type of caladium. So nice. We have here a very huge philodendron, the Meliona. Background sa gilid. This is prayer plant. I love the color. In the left side, we have here some plants also that he put here. We have Palmera, the mix design. That's Anthurium, still foliage. It's amazing. In the center, the fern. So have here Anthurium. This is not a flower of orchid. This is just added here. As you can see, that is plastic. It's not real. I love the shade. That's pomelo. Pomelo tree. Fruit tree.